Welcome back to the channel. We have been busy. We've got the door fronts, what would you call them? I'm going to call them drawer doors. We'll call them drawer doors. So we've got them milled. We now need to edge band them. Process I know you've seen me do before. Bloody sticky crap all over. Right, so I'll point you that way so you can see what we're up to. And I'll show my new toy as well. Right, I do. Right, so we need to create this face on this side, top and the bottom. So on both pieces. Okay, so we've got one clean edge, factory edge done. Okay, now the idea on this, a massive waste of wood, because sadly this piece, well, the piece that's under here, isn't quite big enough. So what we're going to do is penny washers or them would be good. I bet you I've not got two. I didn't want to do that. I don't, annoyingly, I don't have two of them. One, not two. Right, okay, so we're going to use T-pieces. Now, the idea behind this, or the idea that I'm going with, is that when we do the biscuits, I want to make it look like doors. So the idea that I've had, and I don't know if it's a good or a bad one, but the idea that I've had is to put a little relief in the middle, which will just make it look like doors rather than one solid sheet mass. That's the idea. Connection wise, we need to make it nice and strong, so we're going to use biscuits, these number 0 biscuits, and we'll space these out fairly evenly. Now I do need to put at least a half a dozen in. Would have liked bigger biscuits, but never mind, I don't have them, so we've got to make do with what we've got. So they will give me enough glue up area for the face of the. Sorry, that's me just making a racket. So I can lift this up, right, and then this will ultimately connect everything all together, as you know. This is going to take some measuring to get it right. So these are going to be biscuited to the uprights. You can see, ish. So I'm not very good at, really not, right there. There you can. Right, so they'll get biscuits. There'll be 2 in the sides here, and then there'll be 3 coming along on both sides, and another 2 there. So it should be plenty strong enough. We're going to do the same locking catches down low, only on one side, because the other side won't take it because of the type of frame that we've got, although we could secure it against the single upright that we've got going in. So we may put 2 in to lock down on the face frames, which will just keep the fridge door drawer back and give us something to pull against, which will also mean that we're pulling down here, not up here. So there shouldn't be any weight pull on up here if we've designed it properly. Stress if. So this is the idea, to give us the look of two doors with that tiny little relief gap. We are, put it down, there's the edge banding. So let's get some edge banding done, then we can mill the biscuit joints, and then we can kind of start thinking about putting this all together, he said. So we'll just put that down there. No, that is going to fall, so we'll put that the other way. And let's hope that we can get this kind of done. So, as always, trusty iron. Excuse the fat head. Let's just put that on. Oh, sorry. I'm just throwing you everywhere now. Right. Iron's on. Heat it up. Right, so. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. So we do have a new toy as well. That's an edge trimmer. So double-edged blade. You just put it on, grip it till it's tight, pull it to trim the edge banding. Much better than the old method I was using. Now, because these never ever stay upright, when you're doing it, just use a clamp and and then should have bought some scissors with that. No. And using a sharp stem, just trim it off. Lovely. Right. And before we do get that top edge done. Oh, we'll if I can unroute there we go. What have I done here? A bloody pain in the ass, this stuff. Right, so we're up here now. Now we've got that nice clean cut from the last one. Want to do that. Even a cleaner one. Not letting go this time. We'll just flip that over. And trim that to length. And just make sure that is fully tacked down at this end. Right. Don't know what this is like, never used it. I'll tell you what, suitably impressed. Give that just a make it hand friendly, if nothing else. Just nipped up there. That works really well. Just get this other edge done. Make sure the ends are not down. So, again, give it a trim. And that is all done. Doesn't take a lot to not do one. Oh, apologies. Camera battery died. How do I do that? She does. Not lasting. Yeah, these camera batteries are rubbish. So, give me. I'm sure we invest in a new camera. This one's rubbish. So, we'll have to see what the theory brings. Might be enough to get a camera. Will be enough. We'll certainly make it all right. Actually, nice to see you there. See you later. Just a very light time, just to do that. I'll copy. Sharp that thing. Give it a better edge. So, it's better than what your stand does. Better trimming. So. The other stand is. Better. Now that's situated properly. Right, and that's that one done. Right. So. Works, but could be better, but it does work. Say that, you never know that. Let's put that box. There's rubbish. Clean workspace is a happy workspace. Right. Turn the iron off now. Put that over there out the way to cool. And now we have to decide on top and bottom. Missed that one. There. Does do a good job, but could be better. All right. So that is, that's our top, that's our bottom. So lay out for these. I'll take the first one in 3 inches from either end. And then what we got left, 20.5 inches. So if we did that at halfway, six and a quarter, wait a minute. Which is in. And then one there. 8.5, so 4.25. 4.25. Right. That's our biscuit marks. Where did I do it? There it is. Biscuit jointer. Now, setting up the biscuit jointer. For those that don't know what a biscuit jointer is, it's a heavy contraption like this with a plunge saw blade. Alright, yeah. Set all your angles and that, and then your depth of material. It's an utter arse to set, so always have yourself a little bit of scrap. And then you can set the height of your blade so that that appears smack in the middle of your piece, like where is it? There, like so. Okay, so you must set your height, otherwise make a mess of it. You can also set your depth against your biscuits, how far you want them to come out. That's done by the depth stop. Now, I don't want it out that far, so bear with. I'll do. I'm setting against penny washers anyway. So, right. You set it on. You've got indicator marks, front and rear. So you set it against your pencil line that you've just done, and really rather helps if you plug it in as well. So, quick test, does make a mess. Now, what I'm going to do find it, is just transfer these marks all the way to the edge that I want. Peeling simply. So that I can see them at the front edge. You hold the plate down and plunge, and what you end up with is that biscuit joint. Okay, slot that sits exactly halfway. One. Same again, we'll just transfer these marks down. They will rub off. I'm just going to go shake myself. Like I say, let's make a mess. Right, so we've got a slots cut, test fit, always test fit. Hammer. There she is. Okay. So there you go. So it's a good solid connection. The doors are identical in height, which is exactly what we want. Okay, that can now get glued up with the spacers, and then we can leave that then, and we'll carry on with the drawer because we need to fit the sliders and then we need to go and test fit the drawer. See if it works. So middle edge, so. Like so. Never have a cloth in here when I want one. Bit big for what I want, isn't it? It works. Alright, let's try and grab the glue. And this time, we're only interested in filling the biscuit joint. Get our trusty clamps ready. If you haven't got any, get some sash cramps. Oh, brilliant bits of kit. What we're going to do is sacrificial piece, just to give me some nice even clamp pressure. go. There we go. The only other thing to do before it sets is to make sure that it, they're even. Okay, so a loose bit there. That's good. Right, that's now in there. That can now just sit and do its thing, chill out, and set up nicely. So the only other thing that I'm going to do is, if that's long enough, which it's not, long a bit. Oops. A long piece of timber when you want one. Fine, I'll tell you what we'll do, because I want it to obviously stay flat. I don't want it arcing. Right, let's put that on there. Just put that on there. I'll just, because the sash clamps are aluminium, it has a flex against it, and we don't want that flexing in a. Ooh. That's my little one. So, she'll wait for 2 minutes. So, just while I end the video, that is right. So that's that there. So, 27. Right, 27 minutes of me edge banding and gluing up those pieces. So, next video, we're going to assemble it all. Okay, so I'm going to put the I'll put the edge guides on for the slide rails onto the base and that, and then we'll test fit that, because I might have to do a bit of sanding just to make it a bit neater. And that, I'm going to go and talk to my little one while this is all doing its thing, till that's all glued up and solid, and we'll catch you in the next one. Once again, thanks to all the subscribers. It's very, very much appreciated. I don't know why I look at the screen to the side, which is very annoying, I'm sure, for you. So I do apologise. So thanks to all my subscribers. Amazing job, thank you. We'll keep trying to get these videos out as best as possible, as quick as possible. The weather's now a lot better. So anyway, so like and subscribe. Big thumbs up to everybody for supporting, and I'm going to go and charge these camera batteries up again, because this one's almost dying as well. And we'll see you in the next video, when hopefully we get this all together. Take care, see you soon.